This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
While the appeal of a mid-size sedan is declining, a market remains for this traditional version of a family car, and those still offered are actually pretty good. For the Volkswagen brand, that faith is bestowed onto the Passat, which survives and in the latest version is actually better. At 191 inches in overall length, the Passat is at the upper end of the mid-size segment in terms of footprint. Our test model was the SE with Technology Edition. It is one of 5 trim levels that range from the basic to ultra-luxury, or if into performance, the R-Line. As expected, front seat passengers have plenty of room and can be comfortable on the leatherette, or as we used to call them, vinyl seats. This finish is a major step up in terms of comfort. Volkswagen designers should also get credit for thinking about drivers with very good sight lines, like this view from the driver's seat to the right rear window. We were very pleased with the space in the second row, and as you can see, there is adequate headroom and legroom for the average-sized adult. For the record, yes, 5 can fit in the cabin, but we think 4 is a more workable situation. It is worth noting that in this model, the rear seats also have heaters for those cold mornings, along with a USB port to charge your phones, tablets, and other devices. If you're expecting upper-end luxury touches like real wood surfaces, then consider something else. What you will find is an interior that is solid with a better-than-expected finish on the surfaces. As we mentioned earlier, this was an SE with technology trim level, and the critical driver assist features are part of the package. They include blind spot monitoring, rear view camera, and forward collision warning systems. The tech package also includes a display screen that is app-friendly and fairly easy to understand. Mechanically, Volkswagen is staying with what works. In this case, it's a 2-liter turbo-assisted 4-cylinder engine. Output is rated at 174 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. At this point, don't expect much change in power plant since the brand was tarnished over its once popular diesel engines. The transmission is a 6-speed front-wheel drive setup that has a proven track record. We found handling to be better than expected, partly due to 18-inch wheels and all-season tires on the test vehicle. Overall, our impression is that the Passat checks off all of the boxes for a well-crafted mid-size sedan. This is Greg Morris.
We want to know what you think, so email us. The address is bumpertobumpertv@cs.com.